Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kitech Digital. Now in today's video we are going to learn how to be able to create a playlist on your music blog. So let's say you have a music blog and then you want to have a song playlist either in the sidebar or even on a page. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this playlist. So to create a playlist, all what we need to do is to log on to your WordPress admin dashboard, and then go to hover over here and go to plugins over here. We're going to add a new plugin and then click on add new and then search for playlist. Okay, so what we are looking for is this one over here. Okay, um, audio igniter music playlist. Okay, that is what we're going to use. Okay, so this is exactly what we are looking for. Now there are a lot of playlists over here, especially this one is good, but what we're going to use is what is this one over here. Okay, so we can just click on install now and then click on what activate. Okay, very good. So now that we have it activated, all what we need to do is to look for it over here. So we're going to look for what we call playlist over here. So as you can see, there is a playlist over here. Okay, now hover on it over here and then just click on add new playlist. Of course you don't have any playlist, so we are now going to create our playlist. Now it's very simple and easy to go. Okay, so give a name for your playlist. So let's say I'm going to give a name like playlist 1. Okay, and then all what you need to do is just to add your songs to the playlist. So what I'm going to do is first of all I'm going to click on upload over here, and then I'm going to choose the song that I'm going to upload. Okay, so I don't have any item over here, so I'm going to look for the song. Okay, so locate I'll click on select files over here and then locate the song on your your files, okay, on your computer. So I'm going to look for this song over here and then I'll click on add over here. Okay, so that is the song that I'm going to add. Okay, so after the song has been uploaded, okay, now you can see over here on the right hand side over here you can give the song title, artist name, and then album, and then you give a caption to it. Okay, so whatever is the song title. So let's say this is just a sample song. Okay, so let's say the song title is let's say Kweku the Traveler, and then the artist is Black Sheriff, and then the album title, let's say it's just a single. Okay, and then you can give any caption that you want to give to it. Okay, and then you can give a description of the song. I'm going to leave all this thing done. Now this is a song that I downloaded from YouTube. It's copyright free, so I can use it. And then what I have to do is just click on select. Now as you can see, it will fill over here for me. Okay, so all what I need to do is to just give the artist name over here. So Black Sheriff, and then you give a download link. Now to give the download link, I'm just going to copy all this one over here. Okay, and then just bring it over here. Okay, making it seems like that is the same download link. Okay, and then for the buy link, now if let's say you have a Spotify link or you have any other Apple Music link, you can put it over here. Okay, now I have one over here. Now what I have to do is to just upload the cover. Okay, so now I don't have any cover over here, so I can go to upload files and then select some cover that I want to some music files that I want to upload. So let me set through and then choose so let's say I want this one. I'm just going to select some few files over there and then upload it. This one I'm just giving some few files over here. I just want to use it to create the playlist. Okay, so I'll just upload those files over here. Okay, very good. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, Kweku the Traveler, and then we select it. So that is number 1 on the playlist. Okay, Now we can, over here it says what, click add what, add track. Okay, so we can just add another track to it. The same process that we did, we're going to go to upload, and then select the song. Okay, and then the download link, we can just give the download link over here. Then if you have a buy link, you can also what, give a buy link. Now let's assume that it is the same thing as with the buy link, and then we can what, click on what, um the cover. Okay, so let's say this one is Democracy by J Bad. Okay, so we're gonna assume that this one is what, Democracy. Okay, so this is what the next one. Now we're gonna add another one also. We can upload the cover. Okay, so let's say this is what, Abena Koko, okay, by Medical. So we choose the same, go through the same process to choose your file, but I'm assuming this is the file. Okay, and I'm going to select it, and then I'll rename it because I have to check the name of the file, and this one is what, Abena Koko. Okay, and then it is by Medical. Okay, and then I can what, give the download link over here, and then also the buy link too. I can just put any link over there as the buy link. Now depending on what link that you want to do, so that is what the process you go through. I'm going to add the last one to it, and then assuming that it is what, just for music on the playlist. So I'm going to add another one. So this one too, I'm going to add so let's say this one is what, Kaid by Ski. Okay, so the song is what, Ski by Kaid. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the download link over here, and then the same thing, the buy link. Okay, so we have this one over here. Now we can what, just click on publish to publish after setting our playlist, or putting the songs in the playlist. So we have what, publish what, the playlist. Now how do we even see the playlist on the front end? And that is the next one that we are going to do. Now if you see over here, we have the playlist settings over here. Okay, now we have if you scroll down, this is what, the shortcode, okay, that we are going to use to display the playlist on the what, on the front end. So we grab the shortcode over here, so copy it. Okay, now before we even copy it, now let's look at the playlist over here. Now we have a full player. You can decide to use a simple player or a full player. I'm going to choose a full player over here, and then you can check the starting volume and all those things. So this is what the playlist, and then this is the height. Okay, so you can increase the height to, let's say 220. Okay, and then the maximum player width, so that is what the rate. Now put it as automatic. Okay, now you can decide to show whatever you want to show. So show track numbers, show whatever it is, all of them. You can decide to show it, and then repeat track listing enabled by default. So you can decide to enable the repeat by default, and then if you want to give them a backlink or something, you can show this one over here. So basically, after doing all these settings, let's click on update. Okay, now how do we display the shortcode on our website? Now we can display the shortcode in different styles. Okay, now one is by displaying it as what, as on the sidebar. Okay, and then another one is what, by displaying it in a post, or in a page. Okay, so let's say we want to display it on a page. Okay, so let's hover on pages over here, or let's say we want to display it on on a post. So page and post, and the idea is the same. So let's say we want to display it on a post. So let's hover on post over here, and then click on add new. So we're going to add a new post. Okay, we're going to add a new post. Now after adding, clicking on add new, now I want to exit the full screen mode so that I'll have this one. Now what we have to do is just give a title of the playlist. So let's say top 5 songs you need to hear, okay, this week. So this is just what the playlist that we need. So you can even give a description of it and everything, but I'm not going to do that. Now first, what you need to do is click on this plus sign over here, locate or search for shortcode. Okay, just search for shortcode and then click on shortcode over here. Now when we paste the shortcode in it, okay, and then that's all what we need to do is what, just click on what, we can give the post settings over here, and then under we give it a featured what image. Okay, and then we click on the image that we want to give it to it, and then let's say we want to give it this one. Okay, and then we update, we click on it, and then you can do all the settings that the categories and all those things. I'm not going to do all those things. I'm just going to click on what, publish. Okay, now let's take a look at how our post look like, our playlist look like. So as you can see, top 5 songs you need to hear, and this is what the playlist over here. Okay, this is a playlist that we displayed over here. Okay, now of course you can, don't worry about this white background and other thing. That is basically for my settings of what, my theme. Okay, now this is the playlist, so somebody can come over here and then what, listen to the top 5 songs that you are talking about. Okay, so the person can play and then pause it, forward it, reduce the volume. Okay, click over here to what, to buy, and then click over here to also download. Okay, all depends on what the person wants to do. So that is what's showing it on a post. Okay, and it is the same idea as was showing it on a page. So you create a page, you insert it in it and all those things. Now let's show it on the sidebar over here. How do we show it on the sidebar over here? Now to show it on the sidebar, let's go over here. Okay, and then this time around we are going to go to appearance. Okay, and then we go to widgets. So click on widgets over here. Now make sure that you have classic widget installed and activated. Okay, because our new WordPress doesn't really come default with the classic widget, but we're going to use the classic widget to add our widget to it. So as you can see, these are all the blog widgets that it is what displaying over here. Okay, these are all the blog widgets. Now we want to show the playlist just under this how do you call it, this search bar, search bar over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just look for test. Okay, go through and then look for test. Okay, this one over here, just click on it, and then just select the sidebar and then click on add to what, widget. Now this is what the sidebar. Now first I want to push it at the top because I want to display it just below the search. Okay, so I want to put it over here, and then click on it over here, and then just write maybe trending songs. Okay, so these are the trending songs. Now remember that we copied the shortcode. Okay, so just paste the shortcode over here. Okay, just paste it over here, and then click on save, and then click on done. Now let's go back over here. Now we want to see it over here, so refresh it and let's see if it is what it is showing over there. So as you can see, that is the playlist what's showing over here, as simple as that. So this is what trending songs. Okay, and then the playlist what comes over here. So anybody who comes to your website, you will know the trending songs and then can go ahead and download the songs that you want them to download. So basically this is how you can be able to display a playlist on your website, your music blog, or any other website that you are running. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.